Alright friends, welcome back to the channel. So you just saw that we just finished the run. We are now jumping into the chicken coop building, and Max is going to kind of walk you guys through the plan of action for that. He has a drawing that we're going to show you guys again, even though we showed you before, and he has the pieces cut out, so he'll walk you through like the plan of action for that. I'm going to jump behind the camera.
So the coop is basically like just a big box. It's going to be 4 feet by 6 feet, and we're going to start with these posts or legs. So there'll be 4 of them, and they're going to come up about 2.5 feet. So that this will be the bottom of the coop, but this one, this one, this one, this one. So the bottom. Make sure it's nice and square, maybe put a couple on the top, and then we'll put in these little floor joists and the floor, and then we can start building up from there.
All right, sounds good. So that's the plan of action, and we're gonna get started, hoping to get how far in the project?
Pretty far.
Yeah.
We'll see.
All right.
Just gonna double check my measurements before I screw anything in. 29.5 inches for each one. All right. No, spin it around. Okay. Just hold it there. Yep. And that is our base. So now we need to make some cuts for the, I was planning on just doing 2 feet apart, but better be safe than sorry. But, well, I just don't want it sagging. Once you get all the stuff in there, it could get heavy, so better safe than sorry. We'll do 18 inches on center for the studs. So each floor joist, whatever you want to call them, is 1.5 inches wide. So I just like to mark out exactly where I'm going to put it, and I'm going to do that on the other side. And then once we cut the wood, we'll be able to screw those in too. So here's my mark. I'm going to go 1.5 inches in. Mark that here, and then I'll mark it here on the outside too, just in case when I'm screwing in the floor, you won't be able to see the top. You won't be able to see where those beams are once the floor is put on top of it. So these marks will let us know where to screw in the floor. Now we'll do the same on the other side. enough. Does it bother you that these go this way next?
I don't care.
Wow.
Would you have switched it if I did?
I can't.
Okay, so why even start that in my head? Did you take out the nail? I just...
Alright, so next up we're going to do the top supports, I don't know what to call them, these up here.
Nobody can see that.
How about that?
Wait, no, hold on. Okay, they can see now.
Alright, so we're going to do this part up here, these 4 pieces of wood, just like we did on the bottom, and then we can do the back wall and this wall. We got to remember to put the hardware over that before we put
Are we putting the
coop up there.
hardware inside or outside?
Inside.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's start. Good work. Nice.
How much do we have remaining?
Oh, we got plenty left. We have a lot more than 30. Good. To the top. Should come a little more to you, right?
Yep.
How's that?
Do you have any more? This is good. Wait,
good?
wait, this is good. Yeah.
Steady, baby.
I'm holding. Yeah. Don't make me laugh. out of staples.
Go ahead, keep it. All right.
Baby. Which one should I hold it by?
The top.
Okay.
Slide it over. Turn it up.
Okay, so we have the backing now done for where we're going to put the nesting box. This is the nesting box area cut out, and then this area is actually going to have the harbor cloth so that we could get some cross breeze. You know, we have the opening directly across, and then we have the opening to the run area. So we purchased our nesting box through Amazon. I think we purchased it during like Prime Day or whatever it's called. So we got it relatively cheaper. It's just one thing that we don't have to kind of build ourselves, which is nice. It's one of the nesting boxes kind of tilted downwards so that the eggs roll away in kind of a safe compartment where less chance of the chickens picking at it and becoming broody on it, or it's just getting squashed or something after it's laid. So we picked that. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys.
The only issue with this one is that it's designed to go inside the coop, so that's why it's open at both ends. This side would actually go against the inside wall, and this is where the other side is where the chickens would come in and out, the smaller side. But we're gonna put it on the outside, so the chickens will enter through these larger areas, and we'll just have to put something over this back to keep them in. I'm not sure whether it's just something like this or a piece of cloth thin. Maybe. Yeah,
something thin but firm. Nothing crazy.
All right, so now we're going to, you see it has these 3 holes here that you hang it on. So we're just gonna line it up and put some screws in, and that'll keep it secure enough. I could, if we feel like we have to, put some more in the bottom here, but it should just be able to hang like that.
And he did add a cross bar, what is it?
Yeah, we added another 2x4 going across just to add some strength for this to screw into.
All right, do you want me to hold it and you screw it?
Sure.
Okay, should I put on gloves?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Good, you can let go now.
Okay.
There we go.
Let's put the drawers in.
They're in the coop.
Here's one drawer.
Can you put this down? These drawers, actually, we weren't sure if they fit, but you just kind of pull up. You gotta kind of squeeze them in. I guess that's so they don't fall out.
Right, I was just about to say that.
All right, we're in.
Oh, let's see what the chickens laid today. Oh, beautiful egg.
If you push down on it, doesn't it tip?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Does it go back more?
Doesn't want to push in.
Yeah, it
further.
does.
Well, there's this lip here.
I think it's supposed to.
I feel like it's supposed to go under.
Under?
Yeah. So now when you push down
it doesn't.
on it,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you do the.
Oh, you see these little clip things here? So this side can even come over.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you really gotta jam them in there. Right?
I should put that in the product.
Now that it's in, it's gonna be hard to take out. But whatever.
Well, you'll take it out. Oh.
Yeah, they kind of snap in place, so might not be as easy to clean as you hoped, but at least they're super secure now.
Let me show you guys the inner part of the coop and house area. Look at that, that's so cute. Maybe we have the girls make a little curtain for them. I've seen that.
Yeah, for privacy.
For privacy. But we're going to install Max is going to install the door tomorrow. The screen's looking nice. Nice breeze coming through here.
Now we need to make some roof bars too.
Yes, we're going to have the roof bars coming along here. Initially, we're going to do it this way, but we thought it'll be good to just have them roost in their own little separate area from where they lay their eggs. That way they could have more privacy as well. Somebody's not roosting right around them while they're trying to lay an egg. That's just my thought process. What time did we start today? Like around
probably
9?
around like 9.
Yeah.
And it's almost 5 now or something.
It is 5:30 now.
Yeah.
So it's been an all-day thing. So we're supposed to be going bowling with the girls now. So we are going to call it quits for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, advice, one of the things we are uncertain about is the door that we're going to put on. We're thinking of maybe a pull-up system so that the door doesn't take up much space when it's opened. We're kind of trying to utilize as much space. Well, we're kind of trying to use the space that we do have left for the use of the shed as best as we possibly can. So if you have any input or insights on a good door mechanism, let us know in the comment section down below. Anything to say?
I was just thinking by the time they see the video, the door's gonna be done, so I don't know how that would help us, but go.
Anyways, continue to irie up yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Irie up yourselves.
Yeah. We'll see you in the next one.